It's called Gujri and it is 130 kgs. 130 kgs. What is your height? How tall are you? How tall are you? How tall are you?
5'8".
How tall is this goat?
This one should be about 4.
This is zinc. The body goat.
This is the alpha.
Zing, zing.
This zinc.
Okay. This is from Europe.
No, this is from Leh Ladakh.
This is from Indian mountains.
Oh.
A mountain goat.
Okay,
It's all mountain goats.
wow.
Which breed fascinates you, Philip?
Yeah?
Which breed fascinates you? Gujri. Gujri.
Yeah, Gujri.
Gujri. So you're in awe of
Gujri
Gujri.
is the one which is really fascinated me because of the height and the weight
Right.
and the structure. It looks very, very nice.
Any of these goats you find in Africa?
Yes, we
This
have
one, I think. Barbara.
we have this one in Africa. That one is from South Africa.
South Africa,
We,
African
we
bull
have
goat.
that one from South Africa.
African bull,
Yeah.
yes, yes.
Yes, South Africa, and
Toggenburg?
and the other one. But these are the ones we have farmers who have the dairy goats. But obviously, most of them come from Europe.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. What? You know about this sheep?
They are normally whitish, but they are called merino sheep.
It is
Merino sheep, but I don't know what they are called here.
It's the same. Imran bhai, merino only, no?
Merino, yeah.
Merino. Found in Kashmir.
Found
But
in
I
Kashmir
understand it is
in
native
high,
to Australia.
high
na?
altitude areas.
Native to Australia.
Yeah.
High
There are so
altitude.
many in Australia, there are so many in New Zealand,
Yes.
and even in Africa, we have them in high altitude areas.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. I mean, he's quite well
And,
aware in that. Right?
we have the one which is called Dopa. The black
Dorper,
head.
Dorper.
Dorper,
the one
black
without
head.
a tail?
Yes, one
the
without a tail.
Without a tail.
We import them from South Africa,
have it,
and
yeah.
they are very popular in Kenya.
Do we have a Dorper here? Yeah.
Yeah. I
We
don't
have
know
it.
whether you have it.
We have it
them
here.
there.
We have it at the farm.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
You name it, we have it. Most of the breeds, actually. In total, there are more than like 1,600, 1,700 goats at this farm.
Here, in this farm.
Here, there's one more farm behind as well. It is apparently the biggest palai farm. Palai is basically a word used for lodging and boarding.
Yeah.
These goats belong to somebody else.
Yes.
They don't really have any place to keep their goats.
Yes.
So they pay a certain amount of money every month
Yes.
and they keep it here.
Okay, so that they can take care until
Yeah, so
when there is
basically he's a caretaker.
So when there is festive season,
When
they
there's
come
festive
and take.
season, they come and they take
come
it
and
back.
take.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Okay.
So
During Eid ul Adha,
Eid ul Adha. Yeah,
Eid ul
yeah.
Fitr,
Yeah, Eid ul Adha.
Eid ul Adha.
Eid ul Adha.
Yes, yes.
Right, right.
Yeah. Even in Kenya, they are very popular on during Eid ul Adha.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Interesting, interesting.